Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Typeform. First, navigate to the Typeform website and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll see options to start a new form. You can select from a variety of pre-designed templates to get a head start, or choose to build your form from scratch for complete customization. This initial step sets the foundation for your interactive experience. Now, let's dive into designing your Typeform. The platform uses a simple drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to add different question types like multiple choice, short text, or ratings. Personalize the look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, and even adding your own background images to match your brand. Implement logic jumps to create a dynamic flow, showing respondents only relevant questions based on their previous answers, making the form highly engaging. After designing your questions, it's time to refine your Typeform with logic and settings. You can set up email notifications for new submissions, manage response limits, and even schedule when your form becomes active or inactive. Typeform also offers robust integrations with popular tools such as MailChimp for email marketing or Google Sheets for data analysis. Always preview your form thoroughly to catch any errors and ensure a smooth user experience before publishing. Finally, it's time to publish and share your completed Typeform with your audience. Once published, Typeform provides a unique link that you can share across social media, email campaigns, or messaging apps. For more integrated experience, you can easily embed the form directly into your website or blog, ensuring a seamless user journey. Remember to check the description below for that link to some fantastic socks and other great deals we've found for you. Get your Typeform out there and start collecting valuable insights today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.